How to review polls you created on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review polls you created on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find settings, and then just go down again until you find activity log, and then just click on it and go down until you find interactions, and go down until you find again policy created, and then just click on it. And as you see here, you can review it. It's easy, of course, and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.